What do you do when your circumstances change so much so that you can no longer afford to chase your dreams? Do you give up? Hi, my name is Angela. I am a business consultant and I'm a Zimbabwean currently living in Kenya. Last year, when the pandemic hit, my business consultancy's income was slashed overnight, and I could no longer afford to chase after my dream. Now, my dream has always been to look after my mom in her old age. You see, I watched my mom toiling to look after my siblings and I as a nurse, and I watched her saving for her golden years. And yet, when the Zimbabwean economy tanked, she lost all of her savings. I took it upon myself to look after her. And I did that until the pandemic hit. With the coming of the pandemic, I had to decide whether I would look after my own family or look after my mom. And it was a choice I didn't want to have to make. A chance encounter on social media led me to an ad on online businesses. So I clicked on that ad and I was invited to watch a free live workshop. In that workshop, they talked about how you could start an online business and the 3 pillars necessary to set up a successful and sustainable online business. Now, I'm hoping that you're watching this video because you're looking for a solution that's going to help you chase after your dreams. And if you are, come along and have a look at our online business. Check out our workshop. It'll give you all the information that you need to start an online business. Just click on my link and register with your name and email address. And I will send you a workshop invite straight into your inbox. So you'll have instant access to it. I would love nothing more to help you on your journey. If you're the sort of person who is coachable, who is determined, if you're a sort of person who's got a long-term view with regards to their life, because this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So click on my link and reserve your seat to our live workshop, and I will see you on the other side.